Hi, welcome back everyone. I'm really thankful for you all to sharing valuable time this video. In this video, we learn about the three websites and makes our day more interesting. So let's begin the video. Simply search for liveetc.net. With the help of this website, you may hear the live air traffic. You may install this website's Android application from the Google Play Store as well as App Store, and for the Windows as well as Windows Store also. Simply with the help of Flash MP player or the Fast player, you may view this air traffic. Like that, you may take anyone air traffic noise. Let's know the second website. epsevog.com. This website give you APK downloader as well as HTTP injection. With the help of this website, you may install the Android application in your laptop. Simply I'm going to make here WhatsApp APK. So I have to copy the link and after that paste it. And after that click on the generate download link. From below, click here to download com WhatsApp now. When you click here, you will get the APK for your laptop. So with the help of this website, you may make the APK and enjoy the Android application on your laptop. Let's know the third website of this video. Withematics.com. With the help of this website, you may analyze your site speed and make it faster. With the help of this website, you may analyze the speed and performance of any website. I have taken here facebook.com as example. going to pause your video because it's taking time. You may see here facebook.com performance scores, page speed score, here page details also. On the right hand side upward, when you click on the three line, you will get here for login. When you create the account. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel for the next video.